So instead of buying gifts, I 3D printed these 55 keychains for the office people. Here's how I did it.
Come on in, ladies. Want to roll this with these guys?
It all starts with designing. But before that, let me note that Fusion had an update, and I love how they have that new dark design on the back. I really like it. I hope they keep it on. But yeah, going back to the design, let me go ahead and show you guys. I hope that's a cool transition. Show you guys. So here we are in our beautiful design interface. This is the whole blank space. So yeah, I started working at this new job a couple months ago, and they've been treating me really well. So I decided to gift them a little something. So let's go ahead and do that. I was thinking of making a keychain for everyone, and I was thinking, what is something that everybody relates to? So I decided to pick the El Paso logo because it's pretty cool. And yeah, the first thing that I did was to insert one of the canvases, which was that cool logo that I mentioned, which is this one. And I went ahead and scaled it sort of to the approximate size that I wanted. That's gonna come in handy later on. And then the next thing that I did was a quick extrusion. As you can see, I started here at the middle and worked myself up and then worked myself down. This design is pretty standard. It's just like a, I guess, rectangle square. It could be more complex, but for the simplicity of the prints, and since I was gonna do mass printing, I figured that this would be the best approach. After doing some extruding upwards and downwards, I went ahead and chamfered down the sharp edges. Just for the printing purposes, the G-code reads it better, consumes it better. Also in real life, whenever the motor is moving, it's a smoother transition to do like a little rotation than like a sharp angle. So that's the reason why I did that. And after that, I realized that the actual design was too thin once I printed it the first time. And the second iteration actually has more chamfering. I'm sorry, it has more fillets, as well as it's a little bit of a thicker design. And this is what we have for our final design. It's just a logo. To be able to print anything, you obviously need materials, so I went ahead and also ordered the proper filaments for this job, which was white, black, and also gold. And I ended up getting one roll for each color, which gives us an approximate of this much of a price. I went ahead and ordered it, arrived, and then started the print. And so here's a quick time lapse of the 3D printing going on with the beautiful bamboo. After that step, the next thing to do was the post-process for the cleaning of the parts. These parts didn't have a lot of cleaning, but I did have to take a lot of the glue from the bottom, as well as take a lot of little pieces that were floating around. After that, I went ahead and gave them a little wash just so they were like super clean, and put them in a box. Lastly, to wrap it up, I went ahead and put a keychain on them, each individual one. As well as printed a bunch of little tags for them to, to know who printed it for them. So hopefully they enjoyed it. Hopefully they're watching this video. And I had to throw in there a shameful plug for this video. So I hope you guys have been watching so far, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I made all these keychains from the bottom of my heart for you guys, so enjoy them. Wear them with pride, and if you need another one for a family member, let me know. I'll give you another one. So tell me down in the comments, how did I do? Would you keep one? And make sure to comment, I want one, and I'll go ahead and pick a couple of those people to give them their own El Paso keychain. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.